Welcome to the world of Doctordry, China's top-hanging dehumidifier manufacturer. From our modern facility, we deliver high-quality products across the globe. Doctordry is all about one thing: superior moisture control. We employ advanced manufacturing processes to ensure every dehumidifier we create meets the highest quality standards. Our dedicated team of engineers and designers constantly innovate to enhance efficiency and improve design. Doctordry's dehumidifiers are designed to work effortlessly, pulling in excess moisture from the air, creating a comfortable environment. Businesses across industries trust our products for their effectiveness and reliability. Ideal for a variety of commercial spaces, our hanging dehumidifiers maintain optimal humidity levels, contributing to healthier work environments. Doctordry offers unmatched performance at competitive prices, making us the preferred choice for businesses. From compact models for smaller spaces to high capacity ones for larger areas, we offer a wide range of dehumidifiers tailored to your needs. Join our growing list of satisfied customers. Contact us today to discuss your requirements.